1250 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer, built for commercial EV charging and mixed-use power distribution projects. Designed with a 5-leg core structure for improved neutral stability and balanced magnetic performance under fluctuating charging loads. With integrated lightning arresters and dedicated live or levi grounding bars to enhance surge protection and operational safety. IEEE 5712-34 compliant, FR3 insulating fluid, though high efficiency design, engineered for reliable outdoor commercial power infrastructure.